Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making Cheerios bars with peanut butter and honey. These bars are so easy to make. You don't need to bake them. This is a very easy no bake, no cook recipe. What we need is 3 simple ingredients: Cheerios, honey, and peanut butter. And here I have a microwave safe bowl. So I'm going to add half a cup of honey. And half a cup of peanut butter. And now I'm going to put it in the microwave so it becomes more liquid and easier to mix. So let's put it in the microwave. And I'm going to microwave it for 1 minute on high. Now the microwave is done cooking, so let's take it out. So see, now the honey is very liquid. And the peanut butter too. So I'm going to now mix this. Perfect. And let's add the Cheerios and mix them in. So we need 3 cups of Cheerios. And let's mix everything together. And now once you mix it, let's assemble the bars. So here I have an 8 by 8 inch baking pan. And I line it with parchment paper because the stuff is very sticky. So it always helps, the parchment paper. And I'm also going to spray it with a non-stick cooking spray as well. And now let's put the Cheerios mixture in our pan. And now we've assembled the peanut butter bars, and I'm going to put them in the refrigerator for 1 hour or until they harden. And once they're hardened in the refrigerator, then we'll cut them. So now these Cheerios bars have been refrigerated for 1 hour and they have hardened. So now I'm going to cut them and try it. So see, now the parchment paper comes off very easily. And here is the Cheerios bars. So now I'm just going to slice it into squares. Perfect. Look at that texture. This is a perfect healthy breakfast or snack. So easy to make. Perfect. So now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. Looks so good. Delicious. They taste as good as they look. So full of flavor with peanut butter and honey. So if you love peanut butter and you love honey, you're going to love these. They taste so good and go so well with Cheerios. And they're also so filling. Peanut butter really makes them filling. This is a great snack on the go. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!